Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through exactly how to delete cookies on an Android to help speed up your browsing and protect your privacy. Clearing these files can resolve many website loading issues and keep your online activity more secure. So now, let's get started. Step 1 is to go to the Google Chrome app on your device, which is the most common browser used for accessing the internet. You can find this iconic colourful circle on your home screen or inside your app drawer to begin the cleanup process. Step 2 involves you needing to tap on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. This icon opens the main menu where you can access your history, downloads, and the critical settings needed to manage your stored data. Step 3 is to click on Delete Browsing Data from the menu list to enter the specific area designated for clearing your history. This section is important because it allows you to filter through different types of saved information that might be slowing down your phone. Step 4 is to tap on More Options or the Advanced tab to see a complete list of all the data types stored by your browser. Navigating to this expanded view ensures that you have full control over exactly what you are removing without deleting things you want to keep. Step 5 is to select cookies and site data by checking the box next to it to target the files that track your visits to various websites. These files are used to remember your login info and preferences, but clearing them periodically is vital for maintaining a fresh and fast browser. Step 6 is to tap on Delete Data at the bottom of the screen to finalize the process and remove the selected items from your storage. Once you confirm this action, your browser will be cleared of those tracking files, giving you a cleaner and more private browsing experience. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.